I'm delighted to join you today, albeit virtually, to celebrate Yachting Excellence in Aotearoa, New Zealand.
The Yachting New Zealand Service Awards, supported by Boating New Zealand for 2021 are Wayne Huang, Bucklands Beach Yacht Club.
I just think it's wonderful. It's not what everybody wants, but most people don't have the courage to do it. You're the first.
Because without you and relationship with shared boating, I think it's a wonderful thing that will evolve into something wonderful, not only for the community in East Auckland, but also the youth sailing, but also the corporate market and the public.